welcome to madhurazrecipe.com. Today we will see how to prepare mixed sprouts curry. Sprouts are very healthy and nutritious, and this sprouts curry is a great way to introduce all sprouts at once in your meal. So let's start with the recipe. And here I have a bowl full of different sprouts. The great thing about this dish is you can choose the beans of your choice. And here I have used whole green mung. Also I have used moat beans, which is also known as matki, whole masoor dal, as well as I have used some batana, and all these beans are sprouted very well. And it's really very easy and simple to sprout these beans. All that you need to do is take each bean in different bowl, then rinse them separately and soak them in enough water overnight. In the morning, simply drain off all water from all the beans and cover them using some damp cloth or paper napkin, and keep those bowls in dark and warm place so that they will get sprout. Only thing that you need to make sure that in between keep sprinkling handful of water over those beans so that the beans will remain moist. Each of these beans take different amount of time to get sprouts. Generally whole green mung sprouts very fast as compared to moat beans or masoor dal, so you need to soak them or sprout them accordingly. And I'm gonna cook all those sprouts directly in pressure cooker. And to start, here I have 2 tablespoons of hot oil. In that goes in cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds sizzle. I will add just a pinch of hing or asafoetida and finely chopped onion. Mix that in and let this onion cook until they get light golden color. And here these onions are caramelized very well. In here goes some grated garlic. Mix that in and cook this for 1 more minute. And after about a minute, I will add in some garam masala and coriander powder. Mix that through. And after dry masala is very well mixed, next I will add this freshly scraped coconut. You may also make use of frozen coconut. Mix this in and continue to cook this for 2 more minutes. And after 2 minutes, in here goes some finely chopped tomatoes. Also add in some red chili powder to taste. And I will also add a little bit of water so that these tomatoes will get cooked. Mix this in. It looks so good. And I will continue to cook this until the tomatoes are completely mashed in this masala. And it's been cooked over medium heat for 5 minutes. And look at that, all the tomatoes are completely mashed in with this masala, and also oil has started to separate out. It looks delicious. All set. Now next goes in these sprouts, and let's put in all these sprouts. Mix this in. Also add in little bit of water. Also add in some salt at this point of time for taste. And I will also add little bit of jaggery or gur. Mix this. This jaggery kind of helps to adjust the bitter taste from these sprouts. Now put the lid on and cook this up over medium to high heat until 4 to 5 whistles. And here they have been cooked for 4 whistles and all the pressure has also gone. It's shake them. Yum, it is looking so good. Look at them. All these sprouts have been cooked really good. It's also got very nice and good thick gravy. And this mixed sprouts curry tastes super delicious. It goes perfect with a slice of bread, as well as you can make misal out of it. Just top that up with some farsan or save and chopped onion. For list of ingredients and text version of this recipe, please visit madhurasrecipe.com. Developing a new taste. See you soon. Bye bye.